Welcome to SIK Baggers YouTube channel. I'm Steve. Today I'm going to be showing you two new, well, they're not new, but they are new seats from Advanblack. And if you've been wondering where I've been getting a lot of questions on YouTube and on emails and on Facebook about where you've been. I've been out for about the last month, had some health issues that I've been dealing with. Nothing too serious, but it was enough to discourage me from actually getting in front of the camera and trying to show you how to do something on your motorcycles. I'm a one-man show, so I have to do everything. I have to do the camera work, the lighting work, and do all the videos, do the installs, make sure to get the right angles, keep my elbows out of the cameras, and let you see exactly what I'm doing. And when you're in a lot of pain, that's very hard to do. But I'm back. I feel a lot better, a ton better. And today we've had these seats actually for a couple of months. They've been on the Advanblack website, and it is the SIK Baggers seat for the 23 CVO and newer bikes. So it's not a new seat. We've already been selling the SIK Bagger and the Pro Monkey seat for the previous year bikes. And if you have a 23 CVO and newer, you're going to know that that seat is different. So you can't take a seat off of a 23 and older and put it on the newer 24 body style bike. They don't fit. So the first one up here is, of course, the Pro Monkey seat. This is kind of a down and out, what we would kind of refer to as a tall boy seat. So if you are tall and you need some extra room, this seat is definitely going to do it for you. So then, as you can see right here, it is very, very low profile, and this piece here scoots you all the way back to the rear fender. I mean, it is smack up against that rear fender, so you can't really get any more length out of a seat than that right there. And it's got the high back on it, of course, and then the passenger pillion as well. And this style seat does not support the rider backrest. There's no hole in here to put that rider backrest in, so remember that. You can see the Pro Monkey logo here, and if you don't know Pro Monkey, check out his YouTube channel. I'll put a link down in the description down below. So he's another YouTuber as well that helped design this seat. I would say most of you that watch my channel probably know who he is, but if you haven't, check him out. He designed this seat. And we all know seats and handlebars and stuff like that, they're very personal. So not every seat is made for every butt, just like this one. As much as I love the design of the seat, it's just not for me. I'm not a tall guy. I need something that sets me a little closer to that. So my SIK Bagger seat is, of course, a little bit different than the Pro Monkey seat. A little bit more information on this seat, though, is it does come in different colored stitching. I think there's like 5 or 7 different colors that you can get this the stitching in. The stitching will all stay the same in the seat. It'll just be different colors. And then, of course, on the inside, we do have the high density foam, and we also have the gel inserts in the rider and the passenger part of the seat. So once again, that is the Pro Monkey seat. Hopefully you can get a good shot of that right there. And like I said, awesome seat. Lots of people love this seat, but this one is just not for me. So we're going to go over here and take a look at the SIK Bagger seat. So we come over here and look at the SIK Bagger seat. This is the one that I spent a lot of time designing. And like I said, this isn't a brand new seat. It's just new for this year model, right? So we had to make some changes on the seat pan. Of course, everything else stayed the same. This one, however, does support the rider backrest. It does have the slot right here for the rider backrest. Now, the ones that they have on the website right now for the 23 and older bikes do not have the rider backrest slot. But for the newer models, we've added that in because we've had some requests for that. So we went ahead and added that in. Custom stitching all the way around. We got 3 different materials on my seat. We've got a suede material on the sides here and here and here on the passenger part, so that gives you a little bit more grip on the seat. A lot of these seats that I test or put on bikes, they get on the slick side pretty quick. So I wanted this style material that helps you kind of grip to the seat a little bit better. You don't end up doing that kind of slouch thing while you're riding just from, you know, just weight and vibration, and you kind of start sliding on that seat and you're constantly pushing on your bars to push yourself back up. With this style seat or this style material, helps to control that a little bit better. Regular seat material here on the sides, and of course the perforated piece down the middle with the stylish grommets. The grommets don't do anything, they don't make you go any faster, but it does look pretty cool. That was one of the signature things that I wanted added onto the seat. And if you see, they stop right here. So if I get questions on this a lot, is am I going to feel those grommets when I'm riding? No, because they don't go the full length of the seat. They stop before your, you know, area. So you don't have to worry about filling those grommets. Custom color stitching on this one as well, in the same colors as the Pro Monkey seat, so check that out. But with the perforated material down the middle, and the grommets on there just kind of helps with breathability a little bit, right? This one, of course, has the same high density foam in it and also has that gel insert in the driver and in the passenger part of the seat. Riding position on this seat is a neutral riding position, where like the Pro Monkey one is like the tall boy, so it's pushed back farther. Like I said, his seat, once it's on the bike, it's back here, right? So it gives you more room up in the front. The seat that comes on your Harley Davidson is a neutral riding position. So you can kind of get a feel, this one's gonna put you in the same spot as your stock seat, right? And also don't forget, we do have the matching Tour Pack backrest for this, and coming out very, very shortly to the time of shooting this video. So check the date on the video, probably might be already out if you're watching this later on, but we are coming out with the rider matching backrest. So it'll be the SIK Bagger rider matching backrest coming out very soon. And we also have the small backrest for the Tour Pack for like the Razor and the Chop, and we have the wraparound matching backrest for the King as well. So I just want to get it on camera real quick for you, the two new seats, the Pro Monkey seat and the SIK Bagger seat, just so you could see that we had them for the new 23 CVO and 24 and up models, right? So like I said, not a new seat, but new for this model bike. If you want to get your hands on either one of these seats, I'll put links down in the description down below. Stay tuned for more videos, because honestly, I've got a pile over there, and I've got a pile over there, and I've got a pile over there of parts that need to be installed on bike. I got some friends' bikes coming in that I'm going to be working on. We'll be doing videos on those as well. So like I said at the beginning of this video, super quick video, but just wanted to let you know I was okay, and we're coming back with more videos, so stay tuned for those. I'm going to get out of here, get myself back to work. I hope to see you in the next video, but until then, as always, be safe and keep your knees in the breeze. Hey, thanks for stopping by and checking out our videos today. If you like what you see, make sure you hit that like button, hit the little subscribe button popping up over here. If you want to check out more of our content, I've got 2 videos right here that'll get you started. Not really going to say anything else, just click one of those videos and take you to another video.